In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to make your text color change on Hover in Wix. We start by opening your Wix editor. Once open, it's time to add a new text element onto your page. With this done, we are free to give this text an initial custom design. This design process involves personalizing the text in a way that you find aesthetically pleasing. This can be through selecting your preferred font, deciding on a suitable size of the text, and even choosing the ideal color among other customization options. With the text now designed and available on your page, the next step is selecting the specific element you'd like to apply the hover effect to. How do you do this? In the Inspector panel, which is typically located on the right side of your editor, you'll find the Animations and Effects tab, or a similarly named option. This option is directly related to interactions. As you explore this tab, look for the option to switch to Hover View or to add a Hover interaction. Upon accessing the hover mode, you can now customize your text appearance specifically for when a user hovers over it. This involves clicking on the text element once again, but this time within the hover mode. Navigate to the design options and change the text color to the one you'd like it to switch to when a user hovers their mouse over it. If you'd like to add further interactivity, you can also add other effects or animations specifically for the hover state. With your hover design in place, it's now time to exit the hover mode and preview your website. This allows you to observe firsthand how the hover effect works. Ensure that the text color changes as you intended when you hover your mouse over it in the preview mode. Once you're satisfied that everything works as it should, save your changes using the Wix editor. And voila! You've now set your text to change color when hovered over, adding a layer of interactivity to your Wix site. This engaging design tactic is a wonderful way to draw attention to specific elements on your website, guiding user interactions in a visual and impressive manner. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and happy designing!